welcome to this tech tip. Today we wanted to show you the Output Viewer Enhancement feature in IBM SPSS Statistics version 32. My name is Astrid Cook and I'm an analyst here at version 1. So in IBM SPSS Statistics version 32, we now have Output Viewer Enhancement. And here we can selectively unhide columns in output tables. So if they're hidden, we can unhide them. Now, if you right-click on a table, you'll see the Modify Output option. You can hide a column, and then you can also show it if it's been hidden. So you'll be able to restore hidden columns quickly and explore your results dynamically without interrupting workflow or reconfiguring tables. So when would you use this? Well, here we have a table, and you can see we have the frequency, percent, valid percent, and cumulative percent all in the table. You may want to hide some of the columns just to make the presentation easier to understand. So we'll focus on frequency and valid percent. Of course, you could right-click on the table, modify the output, and show columns again if you need to show those columns. So let's see how this works in IBM SPSS Statistics. So here I have my output. Now, if I want to hide a column, I'll right-click, modify output, and select Hide Column. And I'll select the column. So I might want to hide cumulative percent, and I'll click Continue. I can show that column again. Now to do that, I'll right-click, go back to Modify Output, select Show, and this will bring up the Show Column dialog box, and then I'll select the column, here, cumulative percent. This is the column I want to show, and I'll click Continue. So it's easy to hide and show columns in your output, and that gives you flexibility in terms of what you show in the table. So that's everything we wanted to show you today. If you want more information on IBM SPSS Statistics, you can visit our website at www.spssanalyticspartner.com. So thanks for watching, and bye for now.